Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Project C1. This is more of a quick update really. I'm in the middle of cleaning the interior of the C1. I do have the dreaded rear leak, which is going to be probably the next video for it. But in the meantime, because it's not really my daily driver, everything has been sitting here and getting a bit nasty on the inside. A little bit mouldy, it's not a nice place to be at the minute. So I'm in the middle of doing that. As I've been doing it, I found a couple of issues. I found that the speedo ring doesn't fit. I must have monged it somehow, I don't know how. I seem to have a slight exhaust blow, which that will make an interesting video, and a few other little bits of nothing trivial like that. So let me just take you around the car now and show you exactly what I've done. Okay, so I've had the car running for about 45 minutes to an hour now. I've had the heating on, just for the purposes of this video I've turned it off so you can hear me. For a start, found I've not fitted that correctly, so I've got to sort that out. I've got water on the inside of my windows, that's never good. I've got a couple of those bad boys, these dehumidifiers around, just to see if I can absorb some of the moisture in the air. The door cards, the seats, the seat belts. I mean, I seem to have missed a bit there. The interior was pretty much all like that. It was pretty nasty. In fact, some of it, it seems to have stained. That is actually clean and it's safe to be in. I've anti-backed the whole thing. I've attacked it with a steamer to go with it. It's just stained. So I think a new headlining might be in order. The back seats are very much the same. I've extended all the seat belts as far as I possibly could, so clipping them into each other's sockets there. And yeah, I've attacked it with the steamer. I'll show you what steamer I've got. I've got this bad boy here. I have no idea what it is. I got it from a friend of mine. Just one of those, do you want it? Yeah, there you go. And it's a cracking bit of kit. Fantastic. Let's have a look in the boot. I'll show you what I've got. I've got another dehumidifier just here, and you can see where the wet starts. That is absolutely soaking wet. In fact, you can probably see the water squishing out of that. Whereas in the middle, it's quite dry. So that leads me to believe it's going to be the vents on the back here, on the other side of the bumper. They're about, we take the bumper off, they're about there on either side. So bumper's going to have to come off, and I do have an idea about how to seal those vents. I will be doing it with the highlight, the side lights, all that sort of good stuff, and I'll be doing the vents as well, that side and that side. I do have a cunning plan for that one. I'm not going to spoil the surprise just yet, but I've had like a little bit of mould up the sides there, all that sort of good stuff, even on the seats, on the backs of the seats. But they've all been wiped with antibacterial wipes and steamed just to make sure that I've killed all the bacteria. Let me put you down and I'll rev it a little bit just to show you the exhaust leak I'm talking about. Now, I heard a little bit of a blow there, just a little bit of a blow, nothing major. I mean, this car has had a new back box, so I think it might be the union between the pipe and the back box, you know, the midsection of the back box, that sort of thing. As soon as the weather picks up, I'll get it up on the ramps and we'll have a look, but that'll be a different video. I ain't doing that now. It's cold, it's wet, it's miserable. I'm not doing that. But yeah, you know the drill. If you like that video, I know it's only a little bit of an update for you, but whatever, I was in the middle of cleaning it, I thought you might like to know. But you know the drill, like, share, comment, subscribe, that sort of thing. I do have an Instagram now, because, you know, down with the kids and all that Instagrizzles. I will put my Instagram thing down at the bottom here somewhere, and I will put a card up here somewhere for the rest of the series. In the meantime, I will see you in the next one.